Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mishal Adeel and I work as a GP dentist in one of the private dental centers in Abudhabi. I was a graduate of class 2014. Having worked since 4 years in a practical side of dentistry, I can say that I cannot be more proud of being associated with RAKCODS, simply because of, apart from the memories that I made in the university, it is the foundation that the university has provided us with that has given us all the skills, the confidence, and the ethical standing for us to be able to make decisions for the patient, on behalf of the patient, and along with the patient for the betterment of their treatment. Every day is a new day. Every day you will find patients with new problems, with new issues, with new phobia. And to be able to treat them, and at the end of the day to be able to give them the smile that they desire and to have them be grateful to you, it is the best feeling in the world. And I cannot thank the university enough, each and every teaching staff or each and every professor that has built us with these skills and given us a foundation and given us a very diverse environment.